Today, we're talking about the wind. We're going to track its power, starting from absolute dead calm and building it up level by level until we hit total devastation. So we begin from a place of absolute peace. At level 1, it's just calm, basically no wind at all. The leaves aren't moving even a fraction of an inch. Then we bump up to level 2, light air, which is really just a whisper you can barely feel on your face. By level 3, a light breeze, you'll notice leaves starting to move gently. It's a really pleasant breeze. And then finally, level 4 is the gentle breeze. This is where small branches actually begin to sway a little bit. Here's where the wind stops being gentle and actively starts messing with our daily routines. At level 5, the moderate breeze, this invisible force suddenly becomes visible because of the debris it's carrying around. You'll see dust and loose paper blowing down the street. Then we hit level 6, the fresh breeze. And honestly, this one is highly relatable for anyone who commutes. You know that exact frustrating moment where trees are swaying and it suddenly becomes way harder to use an umbrella without it turning completely inside out? Yeah, that's level 6. Moving on to level 7, the strong breeze. This is a major turning point because walking against the wind genuinely becomes difficult. The pace of the wind is accelerating rapidly now. At level 8, the near gale, whole trees are moving violently and the environment actually starts taking damage. You'll hear small branches snap and break off, and by level 9, which is a true gale, we're talking very strong wind where it is incredibly difficult to just walk outside at all. Welcome to level 10, the strong gale. Trees aren't just losing little branches anymore. They can suffer severe damage. Plus, loose objects, like maybe your lawn furniture or street signs, those are now airborne projectiles flying away. The wind is officially dangerous at this point. We are now entering the catastrophic levels where human infrastructure faces its ultimate test. Level 11 is classified simply as a storm. This is highly dangerous wind that can easily damage buildings and tear right through power lines. And then level 12, the violent storm. We're looking at widespread structural damage now. Those flying objects from a couple of levels ago, they are now lethal, dangerous flying debris. And then we hit the absolute ceiling of the scale, level 13. Depending on where you happen to live in the world, this absolute apex predator of weather is known as a hurricane, a cyclone, or a typhoon. It is genuinely staggering to compare these two extremes. Think about level 1. Absolute calm, no movement at all. And then jump all the way to level 13, the strongest winds capable of erasing actual homes. It's kind of wild to realize it is the exact same substance, just air,